Sambonani, Tobela, Dumelang, Goeiedag, and good day to all of you Kampiones, champions out there, and welcome to Triple M Make Monday Matter right here at KINGinme. And hey, if we're just meeting now for the first time, my name is William, and welcome. In this particular video, we are going to be talking about how can we achieve true success in the midst of chaos and challenges without losing our soul. So hey fam, I think one thing that all of us have in common, you might agree or you might agree to disagree, but I think that one thing all of us have in common is something called problems. I mean, the greatest leaders of all, Jesus Christ, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, said that in this world you will have trouble, but take heart, for he who is Jesus has overcome the world. So firstly, if we want to overcome the challenges and if we want to overcome the chaos, all right, we need to essentially go to the one who overcame, who is Jesus Christ. Okay, so you might decide to do that. Secondly, how are we going to achieve, therefore, true success in the midst of chaos and challenges without losing our soul? Well, fam, sometimes what we tend to do is we tend to complain about the problems, or we tend to grumble about the problems, or we tend to post about the problems on social media. But fam, that is not going to change the problem or the challenge or the chaos around us. How are we going to change it? We're going to change it by simply using what God has blessed us with. I heard Dr. Miles Monroe the one time share that, your future is not out there somewhere. Your future is within you. Like God has placed and put it within you. But sometimes we don't want to serve ourselves to the world because we think that we are inadequate. We think that we are not enough. We think that we're not going to measure up. But fam, listen, God has blessed you. God has given you incredible tools. It's in your house, fam. All right, it's in your house. God has blessed you, and when you begin to ultimately use what God has blessed you with, we can begin to see some radical change begin to take place on the earth. And I'm reaching into my pocket not to pull out a gun, but to pull out a phone, because I want to read to you guys one of my favorite poems over here by Marianne Williamson, and it says this: our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. Okay, our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. You can go onto Google and go and type in Marianne Williamson and go read the rest of the poem over there. But I want to just pause there as we close and end off with this, fam. All right, don't be afraid to serve yourself to the world, to the glory of God. Fam, you are talented. You are gifted. You are full with absolutely amazing amounts of potential. And Jesus Christ has paid the ultimate price to break off anything that was supposed to hold you back in life. That sin that is holding you back. Jesus has paid the price for that. So you could be free from that and ultimately be empowered and live the life that He has called you to live. All right, and I want to end off with a verse of scripture, one of my favorite verses, Matthew 5 verse 16. God says, let your light shine. Come on, my brother, my sister. Let your light shine before others so that they may see your good deeds and bring glory to your Father in heaven. And as your brother and as your friend, I want to encourage you, shine the light of Christ in the midst of the chaos. Use what God has blessed you with. Whether it be a voice, whether it be some form of talent, whatever it is that God has given unto you, whether it be to cook, whether it be whatever, all right? Use what God has blessed you with, because that which you carry is so precious. It is so valuable. So fam, use what you have. All right, use what God has blessed you with, because that is how we are going to achieve true success in the midst of chaos without losing our soul. And hey fam, with that being said, right here behind me, you can see the Arise and Shine Champion 40-day transformational tool, which is all about empowering you to overcome challenges and to arise and shine. So if you have not yet gotten yourself either the hard copy or the ebook, go over to KINGinme.co.za. We will pop a link in the description below and go and get one for yourself today, or for some of your friends or family. They make great gifts for either friends or family, and go ahead and do so and be empowered. Nam Slan Je. All right, and also with that being said, thank you for taking the time to tune in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you have found some kind of value within this video, and just know today as we close, here we go. Just know today, namhlanje, ukuthi your voice matters.